Good morning, students. In part 3rd of the chapter, The Age of Revolution from 1830 to 1848. Students, today's topic is 3.2 Hunger, Hardship and Popular Revolt. The 1830s in Europe were the year of great economic hardship. In the late 19th century, saw enormous increasing in population of Europe. There were more job seekers than employment. People migrated from countryside to the cities to search the job, and they were forced to live in overcrowded slum. And the small scale producers faced a stiff competition with the machine-made cheap goods imported from England, and it was especially in the textile industries. And in other part of Europe, the aristocracy still enjoyed certain privileges, but the peasants struggled under the feudal system and manorial dues. So students, increasing the price of food grains or bad year of harvest led the widespread poverty in the town, cities, in the village area. One such year was the 1848 food shortage, and the widespread unemployment brought the population of Paris on the road strict. People broke the barricades. Louis Philippe forced to flee away, and the National Assembly proclaimed France as a republic and granted the vote to all male above the 21 years of age, and granted right to work. And in entire Europe, factories were set up to provide the job to the people. Next point is 1848, the revolution of the liberals. A student, parallel to the revolution of the poor, unemployed, starving peasants and workers, another revolution was led by liberal middle class people whose members were like-minded people, and they demanded for the constitution with national unification. Students, their demand for the creation of nation state on parliamentary privilege principle, a constitution, freedom of press and freedom of association, it was demanded. And the Frankfurt Parliament, in the German region, a large number of political associations whose members were middle class professional, businessmen, industrialists, professors, teachers, came together in the city of Frankfurt and decided to vote for all German National Assembly. So on the 18th May 1848, 1831 elected representatives marched in the festive procession to take their place in the Frankfurt Parliament convent in the church of St. Paul. Yeah. It means first parliament was convent in a church of St. Paul. You have to find out what was taken from the Frankfurt Parliament in our Indian Constitution. But In the end, troops were called in the assembly was forced to disband. And the issues of extending political rights to the women was a controversial within the liberal movement, in which large number of women had participated actively over the years. Their movement was called feminist. Feminist means awareness of women's right and interest based on the belief of the social, economic and political equality of the gender. When the Parliament, Frankfurt Parliament was convened in the Church of St. Paul, women were admitted only as observers to stand in the visitors gallery. It is the figure of Frankfurt Parliament. It is the figure of Frankfurt Parliament convened in the Church of St. Paul. Very important figure it is. So students, now the homework, write a short notes on Frankfurt Parliament, B. Giuseppe Mazzini, Greek War of Independence. Second question, it is the statement, quotation you have to explain. The 1830s were year of the great economic hardship in Europe. Support the statement with arguments. So this chapter, the age of revolution, 1830 to 1848, with part first, second and third, whole chapter is completed. Thank you.